Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channels Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kanakati kutanka kukuya new channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa gano ka subscriber. Don't forget to comment and share this video. As far as Zimbabwe takigrai nyaburitwa na the Foreign Citizens Coalition for Change leader Mnangagwa Chamisa avabuda vachidemanda kuti President Emerson Mnangagwa vawaniko vachiappear before the Commission of Inquiry mushure mekunge vakadedzwawo Mnangagwa Chamisa pane claims achinzi he has been linked to corruption mu the land regularization process in Zimbabwe. Monday Mnangagwa Chamisa vakawanikwa vachiappear before the Commission of Inquiry iyo investigate operations ari mu the Harare City Council since 2017. So the Commission of Inquiry led by Justice Cheda Yasamona, the Citizens Coalition for Change, former Citizens Coalition for Change leader wa Chamisa mushure mekunge Councillor Blessing Duma vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti va Chamisa vanga vari involved mu regularization yema-settlements mu Harare since he wanted to garner support voters from my urban areas, and so vakawanikwa vachiregularize settlements zviri illegal in Zimbabwe. Mnangagwa Chamisa vakawanikwa vachideny allegations iyaya vachitaura vachiti aiwa havana kubvira vaita involved in giving the directive kuma-councillors muri Zimbabwe. Vakabuda vachitaura vachiti this is not even true since dai vaida kuadresa ma-councillors dai vaida kuadresa vanhu on this issue he was going to address the whole masses, not ma-councillors chete muri Zimbabwe. Vakabuda vachitaura vachiti since iri nyaya yeLeadership President Emerson Mnangagwa vanofanira kusamonawo bhozirunzi ZANU-PF ine ma-areas ayakaregularize muri Zimbabwe ichida kuganawo support nyaya yaburitswa the New Zimbabwe muri Zimbabwe. Tingaziva kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi the New Zimbabwe vakaburitsa nyaya vachitaura vachiti former Citizens Coalition for Change leader Mnangagwa Chamisa has demanded President Emerson Mnangagwa's appearance before the Commission of Inquiry following claims that his name has been linked to corruption in the land regularization process. On Monday, Chamisa appeared before the Commission of Inquiry, which is investigating the operations of Harare City Council since 2017. The commission, led by retired Justice Cheda, summoned Chamisa after CCC Councillor Blessing Duma implicated him, claiming that Chamisa had directed the city to regularize settlements. Chamisa denied the allegations, asserting that he had not been involved in giving the directive to councillors when questioned by evidence leader Chabvondoka. Well, I did hear it is not true in the sense that, first of all, when I listen, there are two names that have been dropped in terms of their leadership roles, President Mnangagwa and President Chamisa, and I hope that the commission is going to tell him to come, said Chamisa. He also added that during his tenure as CCCL leader, never interfered in council operations. I can tell you, as a man of God, that it is not true. I do not address caucus. I would never address a few people like a few councillors that have been mentioned. If I were to address, I would address maybe the entire of the people. But what is clear is that whenever he was saying he can justify before the commission, I'm sure the commission within the realm of due diligence were to adduce evidence from him where I say that voice or written or whatever, said Chamisa. Regularization of settlements in Harare has been linked to the rise of illegal settlements, with councillors having been identified as being at the forefront of regularizing settlements in Harare. Land barons have been accused of working with cowards, with councillors to allocate land corruptly and formalize settlements. Chamisa said he has always been worried about demolitions of houses as it is against the law. What I'm aware of is that people's houses were being destroyed, and I had difficulties appreciating and understanding why a whole council would destroy people's house when they, in first instance, had allowed people to construct those houses. So the whole destruction process is what I had issues with, because I'm a justice person. I believe in the rule of law. I believe in protection of property rights and individuals. Naturally, I would have any problems with any kind of dispossession where people's houses were destroyed, Chamisa said. Ngezi New Zimbabwe, tisingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi zvikutaura zvichinzi the regime now wants Chamisa kuti awanikwe achinyura muZimbabwe, and they are seeking Nelson Chamisa's arrest muZimbabwe. Mabuditsiro akaitwa neZimai nyaya iyi vachitaura kuti the regime appears determined to implicate People's President Advocate Nelson Chamisa in alleged corruption with the Sengezo Shabangu-led Harare City Council. The intention became evident on Monday when Chamisa was summoned to testify before Justice Cheda during the Harare City Council the Commission of Inquiry. The inquiry, ostensibly probing mismanagement and chaos in the council, sought Chamisa's insight into its operations during his tenure. ZANU-PF's move to establish the commission is seen by critics as a ploy to tarnish Chamisa's reputation by linking him to the council's administrative challenges. Although Chamisa once led the party that oversaw the council, he stepped aside from active leadership within the Citizens' Coalition for Change before current controversies erupted. Observers attribute the council's instability to Sengezo Shabangu's controversial appointments of councillors outside party processes. Shabangu's actions have drawn widespread criticism for fostering turmoil, a development that unfolded after Chamisa distanced himself from active involvement in council affairs. Critics argue that this timeline exonerates Chamisa from direct involvement in the alleged corruption. Chamisa spokesperson Gifto Stalo Siziwa condemned the summons as waste of resources. This is another useless waste of taxpayers' money by the illegitimate regime ruling Zimbabwe. Summoning the people's president underscores ZANU-PF's weaponization of the law to intimidate the legitimate winner of the 2018 and 2023 presidential elections. While the country loses an estimate of 1.2 billion annually to illicit gold flows, as confirmed by the Prosecutor General and Home Affairs Minister, the regime prioritizes theatrics over critical issues like solving the energy crisis, reindustrializing the economy, and providing basic service such as housing, clean water, street lights, and public transport. Siziwa also noted that Chamisa's decision to appear at the inquiry was a strategic one, aimed at avoiding charges of contempt, a trap many believe ZANU-PF had laid. Critics highlight glaring inconsistencies in the regime narrative. The commission claims Chamisa is responsible for the councillor's actions, yet it previously endorsed Shabangu as CCC leader. When Chamisa formally communicated to Speaker of Parliament Jacob Mudenda that he had not recalled any MP or councillors, the state upheld Shabangu's leadership. Now the regime's attempt to pin council chaos on Chamisa reeks on hypocrisy. Adding to the absurdity, the commission presented an audio recording allegedly implicating Councillor Duma, claiming he acted on Chamisa's instructions. However, the audio revealed that Duma referred to the public condemnations of house demolitions by both Chamisa and President Emerson Mnangagwa. Critics question why Mnangagwa is not being summoned if such statements qualify as instructions. Moreover, at the time of the alleged misconduct, Councillor Duma was not chairing the implicated committee, another fact undermining the Commission's claims. Chamisa's testimony before the Commission dismantled these allegations, leading to his release in under 20 minutes, further exposing the inquiry as a sham. This spectacle underscores the ZANU-PF regime's obsession with targeting opposition leaders instead of addressing Zimbabwe's pressing issues. While corruption and mismanagement plague the nation, the government diverts attention to politically motivated theatrics. As Chamisa aptly summarized in his statement on X, another colossal waste of public funds, another shame exposed. Zimbabwe deserves better. Tawabulitsa wakati kwa nyaya tisingazive kuti munoona sei tiudze izvo muri kufunga mu comment section.